As the years go by, one thing becomes painfully clear. We lose strength. We lose energy. And often, without realizing it, we begin to lose our muscle. This isn't just aging. It's something more serious: sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that begins around age 50 and accelerates each decade. It's the reason why getting up from a chair becomes harder, why falls become more dangerous, why independence starts to slip away. But here's the good news: you can fight back. And one of the most powerful weapons? Seafood. In today's video, we'll explore the top 7 seafoods that support muscle growth, protect against sarcopenia, and help seniors stay strong, mobile, and independent longer. These foods aren't just nutritious. They're packed with proteins, omega-3s, and minerals designed by nature to preserve the very thing aging tries to take from us: our strength. If this sounds important to you, take a second to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it, and leave a comment below. It really helps us reach more seniors who need this life-saving knowledge. And remember, this video is educational. It's not medical advice. Always speak to your doctor before making changes to your diet. Let's get started. 1. Wild-caught salmon. Salmon isn't just a dinner staple. It's one of the most potent muscle-preserving foods on the planet. Rich in high-quality protein and long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, wild-caught salmon helps reduce inflammation, improve muscle protein synthesis, and support joint mobility. A 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed omega-3 rich seafood twice a week retained significantly more muscle mass than those who didn't. Salmon is also packed with vitamin D, which plays a key role in muscle function and is often low in older adults. Whether grilled, baked, or smoked, just 2 servings a week of wild salmon can make a dramatic difference. Sardines. They may be small, but sardines are muscle-saving giants. These tiny fish are loaded with complete protein, calcium, phosphorus, and omega-3s, all vital for maintaining muscle tissue and strong bones. Sardines are especially important for seniors who may not be getting enough animal-based protein or have trouble digesting heavier meats. Their high content of coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, also supports cellular energy, giving you more power during daily activities. And because they're eaten whole, sardines deliver a rich supply of bone-strengthening nutrients like vitamin B12 and selenium. Add them to salads, toast, or eat them straight out of the can. 3. Tuna, especially albacore. Tuna is a powerhouse for muscle maintenance, especially albacore, which has a higher omega-3 content than skipjack or light tuna. 1 3-ounce serving of tuna delivers over 20 grams of lean protein and a potent dose of niacin, selenium, and vitamin B6, nutrients that support muscle repair, oxygen transport, and recovery. Tuna also contains leucine, a branched-chain amino acid critical for initiating muscle protein synthesis. Whether canned or fresh, tuna is one of the most accessible and affordable seafoods for seniors focused on strength. 4. Mackerel, often overlooked. Mackerel is rich in protein, omega-3s, vitamin D, and creatine, the same compound that athletes use to boost power and endurance. For seniors, mackerel helps enhance muscle energy stores, reduce age-related inflammation, improve strength during resistance training. It's also one of the best sources of vitamin B12, which supports nerve health and muscle coordination. Mackerel is particularly helpful for preventing sarcopenic obesity, the combination of fat gain and muscle loss seen in aging adults. 5. Shrimp. Shrimp are more than a low-calorie treat. They're one of the purest forms of protein, with almost 18 grams per 3-ounce serving and almost 0 carbs or fat. Shrimp are also a source of astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that supports mitochondrial function and muscle recovery. They contain selenium, iodine, and vitamin B12, nutrients that support thyroid health, metabolism, and muscle function. Plus, shrimp are easy to cook, easy to digest, and easy to enjoy on a soft stomach. 6. Scalloped scallops are another low-fat, high-protein shellfish ideal for seniors. They deliver a complete protein profile, along with magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, minerals that help prevent muscle cramping, enhance contraction strength, and support electrolyte balance. Scallops also contain taurine, an amino acid that supports heart and skeletal muscle health. And thanks to their tender texture, scallops are especially good for seniors with dental or chewing challenges. 7. Mussels. Last but not least, mussels are a nutritional powerhouse for fighting sarcopenia. They offer a unique blend of protein to rebuild muscle, iron and zinc to support oxygen delivery and immune function, omega-3s to reduce inflammation and enhance nerve signaling. Mussels also contain manganese and selenium, key for reducing oxidative stress in aging muscles. They're budget-friendly, sustainable, and cook in minutes. Just a small serving can flood your system with the building blocks needed to rebuild and protect muscle tissue. Fighting muscle loss in your 60s, 70s, and beyond isn't just about hitting the gym. It starts in the kitchen. These 7 seafoods offer a delicious, natural way to support muscle health, reduce inflammation, and preserve independence. By adding them to your weekly routine, you give your body the fuel it needs to stay strong, energized, and balanced. Because sarcopenia isn't just about losing strength, it's about losing freedom. And with the right nutrients, you can hold on to both. If you found this video valuable, click like, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Gray and Wise for more science-backed strategies to help you thrive in your gray years. Until next time, stay strong, stay nourished, and keep moving forward.